So when we're talking about late fall river situations, we're dealing with fish that are putting the feed bag on. They're feeding heavily on easy targets. The water temperatures are cold, so the fish don't want to have to work real hard necessarily to chase down a bait. So what I like to do is I actually like to bulk up in this situation, which is kind of opposite of what you'd think. A lot of times water gets colder, you go smaller. I like to go bigger. The fish are feeding on those young of the year sheepshead, which are about the 4-inch size. So this 4-inch gulp minnow absolutely is the perfect profile for it. Not only is it the right profile, but with that added scent in this cold water, it's definitely the deal.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.